18x square plus 3x minus 10. Product needed is?
PQ is 180x.
Minus 180.
Oh yeah, ma'am.
So
And
that means difference of two terms should be plus 3.
yeah,
So A180 is written as 60 into 3. 60 is 20 into 3. Into 3. 20
yeah,
and 9 doesn't work. So 20 is 10 into 2 and 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. 18 and 10 doesn't work. Then it is 29. No. This is then 10 is again 5, 2, 2, 3, 3. So it is 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. 15 and 12.
15 and 12. Okay, ma'am.
5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 3 say 4s are 12. 15 and 12.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
15x minus 12x minus 10.
Okay.
And then factorize. Yes, Ankita, what's the problem? What's the doubt you have?
I didn't understand how to do the questions with variables.
With variables? There's nothing with variables.
No, like the one which you just solved with x.
So all were with x only from the beginning. Beginning all with x. So with x square coefficient is there.
Yeah.
Tell that one. So now you have to take the product of the numbers is product of this x square coefficient and constant. And then check out. So here product needed is 18 into minus 10. So product of two terms, what we need, that is equal to a into c. A is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term. Not only the last term.
Okay, ma'am.
Initially x square is alone, it don't have any other variable, so you that a value is 1. So a into constant is the constant term you were checking. Now here are the variables. So it is one coefficient of x square is other than 1. So you have to take this constant, this value into last term. AC is the product, needed product. A into C. A is the coefficient of x square, C is the constant term.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now if the question, this one the same thing when they are in fraction, what you will do? There are few questions in exercise, you can see there are fractions. So those are, suppose it is x square plus 12 by 35x plus 1 by 35. In such cases, what we do? What to do? This is 53rd question.
The factors of 1 by 35.
No. Take LCM. So LCM is 35. And here it will be 35x square plus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0 we have to consider. Then this 35 will go on other side becomes 0. So therefore now polynomial we have 35x square plus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now find out the middle terms, middle terms divide into two parts. What we need product 35 into 1 which is 35 and the sum is equal to 12 plus 35 and plus 12. That is 7 into 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 5 is 35. So 35x square plus 7x plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize separately. So 7x is common factor. 5x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 1 into 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 by 5. 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. 7x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 7. So you have to factorize only. No, you're not finding out this value. Leave it. Only this much part. I keep forgetting. Only this much part is there. And don't take this 0. Don't consider this 0. I was explaining the 10th part. So it will be 1 by 35 outside. So the answer will be 1 by 35, you are keeping outside, and then factorize the numerator, that is 5x plus 1 and 7x plus 1. Quadratic equation I'm solving in 10 though, so that is a confusion. 10th also the same chapter is going on. Yeah?
Should we write this?
Yes, write down this. 10th also exactly same questions are going on. So therefore this confusion.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, where you have factorized the numerator, you have kept 1 by 35.
Yeah, 1 by 35 keep as it is because denominator is 35. No, so we have to place this as it is outside. Like this
Okay,
one we
ma'am.
have to do. So that won't become 0, that's it. You have only factorized and class 10th has finding the values of x, finding the zeros of x. Zeros has to calculate, so therefore I've started calculating that.
Okay.
Then if finished, whoever has done, then next question, 54th question you can solve. 21x square minus 2x plus 1 by 21.
Ma'am, I have doubt in that second step.
Which one?
53 question, second step,
Yeah,
ma'am.
this is taking the
30.
LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, that denominator we kept separately as 1 by 35.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I thought something else. Ma'am, can you show the 54th question?
Yeah. So 54th question, LCM is 21. So here you have to multiply this fraction, you have to multiply with 21. So 21 into 21, 441 x square minus 21 into 2, 42x plus 1 by 21. So keep 21 outside, that is 1 by 21, 441 x square minus 42x plus 1. So product needed is 441 and the sum needed is minus 42. 441 is just now we have done 21 into 21. So this we can write as 7 3s are 7 3s are 7 7s are 49 and 3 3s are 9.
Ma'am, it's minus
Will not
21 and
work.
minus 21.
Yeah, 21 into 21. 21 is 42, right? So it is 441x square minus 21x minus 21x plus 1. Now factorize. 1 by 21. Common factor is 21x. 21x minus 1 minus 1 into bracket 21x minus 1. So it is 21x minus 1 into 21x minus 1 into 1 by 21. So these are the factors.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
should we write 1 by 21 into 21x minus 1 the whole square?
Yeah, you can write it.
Okay.
Okay, now the irrational numbers. I told you to leave those irrational number questions. Now how to solve. This is for those students who are able to solve, not for everyone. If you are not able to solve, you can leave it. But yes, some of the students I need that you have to solve those. Question number 6, if you consider x square plus 2 root 3x minus 24. So here, what is the product needed?
Minus 24.
Product is minus 24 and minus product is negative. So therefore, difference of two number is equal to 2 root 3. Now we need root 3. We need, right? Listen very carefully. We need root 3 as in the sum form, sum or difference form. That means root 3 should be present in both the terms. So this difference of two terms is 2 root 3 or sum or difference, whatever it is. You need root 3. That means root 3 is the term should be present in both the terms. So we need root 3 into root 3 both the sides. So 24, we have to factorize that 8 into 3 first. Then these 3, we can write this as root 3 into root 3. We have to write whichever the square root term is there, that term we need to take, and that we have to factorize as a root that value into root another value. So because 3 we needed, here we need root 3. So therefore 24 is divided as 8 into 3 first. And this 3 we have again divided into as a factors as root 3 into root 3. And now 8 you can write as 4 to the 8. Now along with 4 keep 1 root 3 and along with 2 keep another root 3. So we will get the two terms as 4 root 3 and 2 root 3. Is the difference between these two is 2 root 3?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to write this. Then larger number should have the middle terms sign. What is the middle terms sign? Plus. So which is the larger number out of these two?
4 root 3.
4 root 3. So this should be positive and this should be negative. So it is x square plus 4 root 3x minus 2 root 3 minus 24. Now we have to factorize it.
3x.
Yes, x. Now here x is only the one factor common. So x plus 4 root 3. Okay. Now minus what we have to take common from this. 24 we have written as 4 into 2 into root 3 into root 3. Here it is 2 root 3. So can we take 2 root 3 common? So after taking 2 root 3, what is left out? This full product 4 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 is 24. So out of that factors, we have to take 2 root 3 common. So 2 root 3 common. So in the bracket, it is left as x minus. From 24, we have taken 2 root 3. So what is left out? Product of these two, 4 root 3. Product of these two is 24. So out of that, this part came out. So what is left out? 4 root 3. So it's plus 4 root 3. Because we have taken minus sign common. So x plus 4 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. These are the two factors. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these are the questions on the same worksheet.
Yeah, same worksheet. 3C. In the beginning, I have not given you all the questions to solve. Some questions we left no, so those questions, irrational numbers.
This will come in exam.
Exam no.
Okay.
Square root numbers you don't have, but without explaining anything, you will start with in 10th the same things. Same questions will start in 10th. And 10th exam they will ask. Right now these are the easier ones. In 10th somewhat complicated ones. Exam, this type of a middle term splitting factorization will be there, but only for the real numbers, rational numbers, not for irrational numbers. But if they change pattern, then don't know. For other schools, they ask.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
You got the answer, very good.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Mom, I got the answer.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Mom, even I got
10th one, you got the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, even I got the answer.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Yatin, tell me the factors.
Ma'am, factors are 5
No, second term, second step.
Second,
X square
okay.
plus
x square plus 5 root 6x plus
Yeah.
2 root 6x plus 60.
Very good.
Then equal to x bracket x plus 5 root 6 bracket close plus root 6 bracket x plus 5 root 6 then equals to
Ma'am, 2x will not come on there.
x will not come up. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
This answer.
Yatin, you are able to solve here, then what is happening in a test?
Ma'am, I did not prepare, ma'am.
Why you are not prepared? Okay, a few more questions we will do and we have to start the next part. Then here, that is done. 21st is the same, I think so. Then x square minus 3 root 5x, question number 22. X square minus 3 root 5x minus 20. Try this one.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Same here, ma'am.
Got the
Ma'am,
answer?
I got the answer. Yeah.
Okay, Rupika, tell me. Second step,
Actually, I didn't understand this.
you didn't solve it?
I was trying, ma'am.
Okay, you're trying. Earlier you have done?
No, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, I actually understand this.
You have to find out the factors. First it is root 5 is needed. So that means product is needed. Product needed is minus 20. So minus 20, that means root 5 you need. So that means 5 is a one of the factor. What should be the second factor? 4. Now 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. And then 4 can be written as 4 only because it's needed 3. So 4 ones are 4. So we can write this as 4 root 5 as one term and the second one is 1 root 5 because we need the difference as minus 3. So 4 minus 1 is only minus 3. 4 this factor is either 4 and 1 or 2 into 2 and 2. So 2 and 2 this difference cannot be 3. It's clear. So therefore that we cannot take. So 4 into 1. So with 1 4 substitute root 5 together, take it, and 1 and root 5 substitute 1 1. Then substitute these two with inside as a middle term. X square, larger number should have the middle terms as sign, that is minus 4 root 5x plus 1 root 5x minus 20. Now factorize. So it is x into bracket x minus 4 root 5 plus root 5 into bracket x minus. So these are the factors of 20. Out of that root 5 we have taken out. So what is left in this one? Remaining parts, how much numbers? How many numbers left? 4 into 1 into root 5. That means it is 4 root 5.
Root 5.
So it is x minus 4 root 5 is one bracket and x plus root 5 is second bracket. Rupika, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Oh, ma'am.
whatever the square root you need, so that first, that product divide into that form. Root 5 is needed, so 5 we need the first, and the remaining one is 20 is 5 into 4. Now 5 divide into root 5 into root 5. And the 4 divide such that this number, along with square root number, whatever the number is there, the sum or difference of those two numbers should be this number. So according to that, you have to factorize.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I got different. I took plus 5 root 5x with x square.
Yeah, fine, no issue. Then you
Yeah,
will
but I
get,
didn't get this.
you will get the same thing. Plus root 5. So x plus root 5 is in
Yeah, I got.
bracket reverse.
Yeah.
Now one more next type of a question is there. This is one irrational type. One is the simple type. You have solved all questions. Second one is this irrational type. And the third type of a question is there are some brackets, if you can see at the end question. I have sent you the picture. In that, the 59th one. There is one more type of a question. So where 2 into x plus y whole square minus 9 into x plus y minus 5. So we have to simplify this. How to simplify? Check the bracket. We have to reduce it actually in the quadratic equation. So here, this is type 3. This is type 2. So in this one, if you see this bracket, x plus y, and the second bracket is exactly same, but only here that the brackets is square and here is a normal bracket is there. So we have to consider, let value of that bracket, we have to consider as a, another variable. So value of that same bracket, whichever has the first term and the second term, we have to consider that as another variable for it. So now this full equation will change to 2. In place of x plus y, we have to take a square minus 9a minus 5. 2a square minus 9a plus 5. Rubam, can you mute your microphone?
Oh yeah.
So 2a square minus 9a minus 5. Now factorize it. What is the product needed?
10.
Minus 5.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Oh, sorry, minus 10.
And minus 10, the negative product is there. That means the difference of two term is minus 9. So which are the numbers, sir? 10. So factors is either 10 into 1 or 5 into 2. That is only two factors.
Plus 10 and plus 1.
And then 10 and 1 only will, difference of 10 and 1 is only 9. So we can write as larger number should have the middle terms as sign. Larger it's 10. So minus 10a plus a minus 5. Factorize 2a common, a minus 5 plus 1 common into a minus 5. So we'll get a minus 5 into 2a plus 1. Now, but the equation is in terms of x and y. So we have to now here substitute the value of a. For what purpose we have taken a? X plus y. So substitute back. X plus y minus 5. X plus 2 into x plus y, sorry. Plus 1. So simplify further. X plus y minus 5, 1 bracket. Second bracket is 2x plus 2y plus 1. So these are the final factors. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can we even further factorize 2x plus 2y plus 1?
No, we cannot. Nothing is common in between that. From all three terms, anything common?
No.
All
Yeah.
three terms, not only two terms.
Hmm.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Next question. Sorry, it's B. Try. So here what we have to consider. For 2a minus b, we have to consider as, now here a and b is there, so we'll consider this as x. So 9x square minus 4x minus 13. 9 into 13, product needed is 9 into minus 13, that is minus 117. 9 and 13 is the product, this one, difference needed. So 9x square minus 13x plus 9x minus 13. So it is, common is only x. 9x minus 13 plus here nothing is common, that is 1. 9x minus 13. So 9x minus 13 into x plus 1. So now
I got
replace the
answer.
value of x. Replace the value of x. 9 into bracket 2a minus b plus minus 13. Second one is 2a minus b plus 1. Simplify. 18a minus 9b minus 13. Second bracket 2a minus b plus 1. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This,
ma'am.
all these type of questions can you solve now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will finish the full this one remaining questions from that worksheet. That
Okay, ma'am.
exercise. That exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh,
Now,
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, it is 18a minus, no, sorry, it is 9 into 2a minus b plus 1.
Plus 1, no, it's 13, no, 9x minus 13.
Yeah.
So 9x minus 13 is coming.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. Now this type of a question. So you can check out that is NCERT has given how many less number of questions and how many practice you have to do for that. NCERT has given only one type of a question. Now this is next type. So we have to factorize. But here, what is the factorization? It is a cubic polynomial. So now how to factorize cubic polynomials? These are the cubic polynomials because maximum power of x is 3. So therefore these are all cubic polynomial questions. So how to factorize this? First one you can easily directly factorize by this separately and this separately you can do it. But every time this will not work out. Here you cannot see keep that factorization of first two terms and second two terms. That way it will not work out. So what you have to do, it is a very long process and this is a 3-mark question asked. Okay. One thing you have to, here you have to do long division method for long division you have to do for factorizing it. So what we have to do, first step, find 1 0 of this polynomial. First step is find 1 0 of the polynomial by hit and trial method. By trial and error method. That is, we have to keep substituting value of x, different values of x. So we have to substitute 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. We keep on checking by from 1, then minus 1, then 2 or minus 2. And when you will get the value of polynomial 0, so there you have to stop. So first I'm solving the first equation, first question, suppose. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Start substituting value of x as 1. So it is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So answer is 0. In the one shot only I got the value of 1 0 as this is the one of the 0 of the polynomial, that is x is equal to 1 is the 0 of px. So if x is equal to 1, then what will be the factor? This is 0. So that is we have to go the reverse way. From the factor, how you have calculated 0. Now from the 0, you have to calculate 1.
X minus 1.
So x minus 1. So
X
this
minus
1
1.
you have to bring on this side. So that is x minus 1. Here it is a plus 1. It will go on LHS. It will become x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a factor. Factor is x minus 1. Now divide this polynomial by long division with x minus 1 factor. So we have to do the long division. So this is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 divide with x minus 1. So first quotient is x cube by x, that is x square.
X square.
So multiply x square to both the divisor terms. X square
X cube.
into x is x cube. X square into minus 1 is minus x square.
Minus x square.
Minus, this is minus, this is plus. This get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus x square. Minus x plus 2. So now next quotient is minus x square by x. This is the first term minus x square and this side first term, divisor first term is x.
Minus
So
x.
minus x is the quotient.
Minus x.
Minus x So minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 is plus x. Subtract, this will become plus, this will become minus, this get cancelled. Minus x will become minus 2x plus 2.
2.
Now quotient is minus 2x by x, that is minus 2. So quotient is minus 2. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 minus 1 is plus 2. This is minus, plus, minus, this gets 0, this becomes 0. So quotient, now the remainder is 0. So we get the quotient as x square minus x minus 2. So by middle term splitting, we have to factorize this further. So product needed is minus 2. And the difference needed is minus 1. So it is 2 ones are 2 only. X square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. So x into bracket x minus 2 plus 1 into bracket x minus 2. So factors are x minus 2 and x plus 1. So these are the two factors we got, and the earlier one factor, that is x minus 1. X minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1. So all factors are x minus 1 that we have calculated earlier. Then second one is x plus 1 and the third one is x minus 2. So these are the three factors of that polynomial. Trinomial
Ma'am, so now if I
polynomials,
multiply these,
3, you will get the
will I
same
get the
polynomial.
answer?
Yes, you will get the same polynomial, this one.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? This is 3 marker question.
Yes, ma'am.
These questions are for 3 marks. Method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First, by hit and trial method, 1, 0, we have to calculate. Now from that 0, find out the factor. By shifting that the number on LHS, you will get the factor. And by now getting that factor, divide the given polynomial with that factor. You will get the quotient. Then factorize that quotient. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which exercise is this?
This is from NCRT.
Ma'am, exercise?
2.4, fifth question.
Okay,
NCRT 2.4, fifth question.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down? Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Then do the
Done,
second
ma'am.
question. Then do the second question. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Write down quick.
Ma'am, what is the second question?
X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Is the answer x plus 5 into x minus 1?
3 terms will be there.
Okay, okay, I'll see.
The first one also.
Ma'am, it is x plus 5 and x minus 1 and x plus 1.
Yes, right. So now how to check whether it is which term you have to start with. See the last term. Here it is minus 5. So what are the factors of minus 5? It is 5 into 1. So that means 1 will be the term. So you can check with plus 1 or minus 1.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
If second completed, then third one.
Ma'am, can you just tell the answer of the second one?
Is x minus 5, x plus 1, x minus 1. X
Okay.
plus 5, sorry. X plus 5, x plus 1, x minus 1. Got the
Ma'am, I'm
answer?
not getting that answer.
What you got?
Ma'am, I got x
X
minus
minus
5,
5.
x minus 5,
X
x
plus 1.
plus 1, and x
Plus
plus 1.
1. X plus 1.
Yeah, even I got it, ma'am.
Two
And
x
I
plus
got the
1s.
same.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
2x plus 1s are there. And then
Yeah.
1x minus
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, then that is also working. So now how you, Rupika, you got the answer? What's the answer you got?
Ma'am, I got it as x plus 5 and x minus 1 and x plus 1.
X minus 1 you will not get. If you got x minus 5, then x plus 1 should be there.
Okay, ma'am.
So check where you have done mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go for the third one. So yeah, third one. Check with minus 1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if the if x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 for px,
Huh?
then gx will be x plus 1, right?
Yes, x plus 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Man, I'm not getting the
Minus 1.
minus 1 is not coming.
It will come. You are again doing the same thing. Minus 1 square is plus minus 1 you have taken.
No, no.
Then 32 into minus 1.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm not getting.
Yes.
To factorizing the third question, is it x plus 2 into x plus 10 into x plus 1?
I need to check out. I am also doing the same thing. Wait.
Can you just do and show here because I'm not getting it all.
What?
I'm not getting the.
What you're not getting? You got the gx value?
No, I'm not getting gx.
Gx value you didn't get. P of minus 1 substitute. Minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20 minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So it is 12 minus
Yeah,
32 plus
I got
20
it.
minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. So gx is equal to x plus 1. So divide the polynomial with x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Divide with x plus 1. Quotient is x square. First quotient is x square. So it is x cube plus x square minus minus minus. This get cancelled. 12x square plus
Ma'am, I got the answer.
32x. Okay, very good. 12x. So 12x square plus 12x. This is minus, this get cancelled. This is 20x plus 20. Quotient is plus 20. So 20x plus 20 minus minus minus, this get cancelled, 0. So you will get the quotient as x square plus 12x plus 20. 10 2s are 20. X square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. So here it is x in x is common. So x plus 10 plus 2 common, x plus 10. So x plus 10 into x plus 2. So all three factors is equal to x plus 1 we already got. Second one is x plus 2 and the third one is x plus 10.
Thank you, ma'am. I got it.
Then you can solve the fourth question also. Can solve the fourth question faster. Check with minus 1.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we are getting with 1 itself.
Working with 1.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I'm
it will
getting
work.
with
It will
minus
work.
1.
Yeah, you can do with 1 or minus 1. Both will work. Aditya, you are able to solve? I'm not getting your voice anytime. Have you solved first 3 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
for the fourth question, I got the factors as y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1.
Yes, right.
And I got the same answer.
Yes, right. Good.
Ma'am, even I got the same answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I got the same.
Ma'am, for third one, little doubt I have. Can you scroll a little bit down?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, there. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Only during the last division in the fourth question,
Yes.
the division, the last part is left, -y -1. That I'm not
So
getting.
-1 is the quotient.
Yeah. So but -y plus 1 will come then.
No, that means -1, something is wrong there. So it should come -y, I think so.
Ma'am, is the answer y plus 1 into 2y plus 1 into y minus 1?
Yes, right.
Okay.
With which you are dividing? Y plus 1 or y minus 1?
Y minus 1.
So when you take the this one, then quotient, that's minus y you have got. No, that is wrong. See the difference.
Yeah, plus y I got. Yeah. Yeah. Now I
Without
got.
seeing you, I'm telling you the mistake. Without seeing your book, I'm telling you the mistake.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Everyone done? Fourth question completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita, Trishula, have you finished? Tanya, have you finished?
I'm in the third step.
Yes.
I'm going to tell the answer of fourth one.
Which question answer?
Fourth.
Fourth one is 2y plus 1, y plus 1, y minus 1.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Completed? Everyone? Now science we have to start.
Ma'am, is the class tomorrow?
Tomorrow class is there, yes. And it is in the morning, early morning. It is 8 o'clock. 8 to 9 maths and 9 to 10 science.
Okay, ma'am.
And the homework 3C remaining all questions you have to finish. Okay. Now from tomorrow onwards, we will start this one, 2.5 exercise. Not today, you are not finishing everything. By Monday, you have to finish everything. Full 3C exercise, you are finishing by Monday.